Yo, what's up guys? Welcome back to RWD Status. This is going to be a small little update on what's been going on. But had a little bit of damage to the back end, ended up crashing. Nothing big, ended up putting back together. I do have a video of me actually literally duct taping my bumper back together. But other than that, everything's been going pretty good. Car's been riding pretty good until I blew my coilovers. So my front coilovers, they're ISIS coilovers, ISR, whatever you want to call them. They're actually the early model ISR coilovers, and they decided to take a crap on me about 2-3 weeks ago now. So ended up going with some custom BCs, you know, and we're gonna see how those end up. So gonna pull these off, these crappy ISR coils off, and do the swap real quick and see how that turns out. Gonna end up sliding tomorrow, and hopefully we can actually get a good review and feel the difference in the two coilovers. All right, super excited to get this open. Let's see what these are. Let's see what these look like. Literally, I was between these and the Fortunautos. I've heard really good things about Fortunato, and you know, I hear a lot of good things about BC Racing as well. I know a lot of people that are actually running BC coils. I've heard nothing but good reviews. The same for Fortune though. But what actually led me to make my decision, actually pull the trigger in the end, is that BC is local. So one, I'm kind of supporting, you know, a local company, which is pretty awesome. And two, the support should be local as well, since it's so close to me. If I ever run into any issues later on down the line, it shouldn't take like forever or be a crap load in shipping costs, since I can literally drop them off. But yeah, so here we go. Here we go, like it's something big. Still another box in a box. Got the BR type coils. That's like their basic coilovers. However, we did get them drift specs. Ooh, nice and clean. These are literally the first pair of brand new coilovers I have ever purchased or ran. Last coils were used when I got them, and they held up pretty well. But these are supposed to be, you know, your top end. I did not go with the Swift springs because I just wanted to feel the difference between their OEM spring and then compare it to a Swift spring later. You never know. I might not even want the Swift springs. These might be more than enough for me. So, man, these are super clean and nice looking. Changed the intercooler. Actually ended up getting a slightly smaller looking one, but it's actually wider and a higher quality. This is actually a Treadstone intercooler. Let me see if I can get that in there. Yeah, it's a Treadstone. So, you know, a lot better than the CX Racing one I was running previously. Anyway, there's a lot of other things. I changed my turbo, but we'll get to that in a second. First off, let's get these coils on. Alright guys, so far we got the rear on. You can see these are, oh, let me make that a little clear for you. Oh, wrong way. Okay, so those are my Z32 rear calibers, and these are the brand new BR, I know it's kind of hard to see, but the brand new BR coilovers from BC, custom drift specs. Can't remember what the springs were. Alright, like I was saying, we got the rears on. Man, it's looking nice and clean in there. I'm actually gonna get the rear slotted and drilled rotors later on this week. I don't know if you guys saw that. I don't know if you guys remember. That's that real carbon fiber strut brace for the rear. Don't mind the mess, guys. It's gotta be cleaned out. Got the red top Optima. Badass sticker bomb from sucking at driving and crashing. And the other side's in. So yeah, I'm pretty happy. We're doing the front right now. I'm just loving the front brakes though. They're just so badass. So is the rear too. Not to mention that now my e-brake works, so that's freaking amazing. Yeah, before I was so rudely interrupted by my camera, Totally loving the new Brembo brakes. Like I said, rear brakes are freaking badass, and my e-brake is working. So, yeah, oh yeah, so I told you guys I was gonna tell you what changes we have here that we've done in the meantime. It's been a while since I posted anything or vlogged. So, like I said, we got the new Treadstone intercooler, which is pretty badass. You can see how thick it is, and it's just a quality intercooler, so I'm pretty stoked about that. We are currently in the process of piecing together the rest of my tucked radiator, which is not going to be completely tucked since I already cut this area, but I don't care. It's a thicker, better quality radiator and further away from my motor, so you know that'll definitely help. As you can see, that's pretty fucking close. So other than that, also forgot to mention, got a new turbo, GT35R CX Racing. I don't like it. It's fucking laggy. GT35, whatever, CX Racing, I don't like it. And it's not that it's a crappy turbo or whatever it is, it's just that the power band is way too high. And it's bigger than I can make use of, I guess. It's not where I like it. I'm probably gonna end up trying to do some little hybrid thing or just going to a smaller size turbo. So the RPM band is high. I'm getting into boost at like 5,000 and up. It's just not cool. For what I'm looking at is something a little bit smaller and something around, you know, 3,000 RPMs getting into boost. That's what I'm looking for. So anyway, I'm gonna stop talking and get some work done, get the rest of the coilovers on, and we'll tune in a second. Yeah? Mauricio.
Yeah.
What do you think of the new coilovers?
What?
What do you think about the new coilovers?
The car's gonna perform much better, and hopefully fight some of the understeer. And between ISIS coilovers, which is what you had them before, it was ISIS. Oh yeah, I can't say ISIS on camera because it's like a offense.
ISR. America.
Yeah, ISR coilovers. That's gonna be a big jump up. So I'm excited to see how the car does. Definitely gonna should be more controllable, and one step closer to completing the S13 S chassis suspension, which is, you know, big deal. So
Fuck yeah. Well,
also I like how fast it was to change these. Right?
Yeah, it happened to be super simple. Guys, I'm all sweaty, but so far it's been like the easiest coilover installation I've ever done. I've actually done a few different cars, and the shittiest so far has been a Miata. Like the rear ones, that's a bitch. Like, ugh. Anyway, these coilovers have been freaking phenomenal at coming in, going in and out, or out and in this case. So really not mad. It's stupid easy. Here, look. Let me show you guys real quick. The back of the S chassis for the rear, just basically these two. I mean, it's even easier if you don't have a strut brace on there. You know, just take those two off, remove the strut brace. Yeah. Come down here to the bottom. You have a large 17 that connects to the coil. Let me see if I can get that in there for you. Right there, that bolt right there, that's a 17. Take that off, and guess what? You're done. That's all you have to do to remove the rear. And then, you know, backwards in order to install. So, enough of that. Back to the front, which I've already, in that case, so you can see, removed the three nuts that hold the coilover on. In this case, I got to remove the strut tower again, and the same with the other side. Coilovers will come right off. I will remove the wheel, and then voila, you have it. So, like I said, super simple. I'm gonna get this finished. All right, guys, we finally got everything done. The front was a little bit more extensive due to, you know, I have a angle kit and there's a few other adjustments that had to be made in order for us to not lose complete alignment. We're probably out of alignment slightly, but not completely anymore. Super happy that got the BCs. We're gonna test them out now. They still need to settle a little bit, but they're all on. Oh, yeah. So, quick update for today. New BC coilovers. You guys, SC Factory intake, turbo intake, courtesy of SC Factory over here.
Yes.
Yes.
It is what it is for not, you know, not too shabby.
It works. Temporary shit, whatever. Battery's actually running low, guys. So yeah, you know, more updates to come. And stay tuned. Click like, subscribe, and I'll be updating another video in about a few days. All right, guys. As always, thanks for watching. Don't forget to hit that like, subscribe, and check out the next video. All right, guys. Peace out.